All right, so right now we are getting some work done here. You can hear it's super loud. And so I'm going to test how well this headset performs with that level of noise in the background. All right, so here we go. We are in my home office, and they're cleaning out the air ducts, air conditioning ducts, and as you can see, it's very loud. Sound like if you were using the Lenovo Wireless VoIP. I gotta get that name. That name is kind of a funky name. Anyway, it's their wireless headset that's certified for Microsoft Teams, and this is what it would sound like with that noise going on in the background. I'm gonna hop over into a Teams meeting. Stay tuned. All right, so now they're in here. You can see they're figuring out the ducts. This is what it would sound like if you're using this Lenovo wireless headset. And there is this level of noise going on in the background during a Teams meeting. And I do have voice isolation turned on. All right, so there you go. There's a quick test of the Lenovo Wireless VoIP headset for Teams. If you like this type of content, follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.